My name is Camilla, and today I will show you our Airlinq Online platform, which is a cloud-based platform where you can control and monitor your ventilation unit. To sum up the possibilities with Airlinq Online, you have the possibility to remote control your unit from anywhere at any time. Now we have the quick overview. Maybe that's what you are going to use in your daily use because you just quickly want to see if there's any warnings or alarm on your units. If you actually want to configure some of your units, you can press on different units. Here we take this unit and we enter the unit and have the operation for exactly this unit. In the top we can see the current airflow, so what it's actually running with right now. And then we also see the current CO2, so what is the CO2 level right now. Here we have a smiley which indicates which level are we in. So here we are green, we are happy, we have a good air quality. Below that we have this status where we actually see how the unit is running. So we have some information on the airflow, is there any form for heaters which are active, and in the box we have here we actually see the outside temperature, the inlet temperature, the room temperature and the exhaust temperature. So we actually see which temperature we have in the unit right now. We can press on specifications and then we get some more specification on the unit. We get a picture of which unit it is. We can then compare it to the room. Maybe we are standing in the room, or then we can see which unit is actually hanging in the room. And then we have some information about what is actually installed and which type of unit it is, and of course the serial number. With the data power overview, you have the possibility to look up the historical data for the unit within a day, week, month, or any date you want. Here we see the CO2 graph, but it's also possible to add more graphs. You can see we have also an airflow graph. We can add one more, and then it's possible to see how the units actually have run by some different parameters. So I have added one more graph. Now we can see what the unit is actually started by. You gain energy efficient insight with the historical data. With Airlinq Online, you have the possibility to make efficient service planning. You will be notified if there is a unit with an alarm or a warning. If needed, you have the option to contact Airmaster to get help on anything of settings or operation, because they can access your units from the Airlinq Online platform. Finally, with your unit connected to Airlinq Online, you have access to our API, where you can connect your units on any other system platform. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact Airmaster.